So we are at the Cookie Jar Café in Dunlap, Tennessee, and the cafe is on their family farm that has been a dairy farm for over 150 years.
Yep, they said if you come here at the right time, you may be able to see the cows going back to the barn. So we'll look out for that.
And they are supposed to have a petting zoo on site. We haven't found that yet. I guess back in the summer of 2023, this place has had caught on fire. They had an electrical fire up in the attic and destroyed all of the
Holiday ones?
holiday cookie jars that they had stored.
Yeah.
And so then the community had come together because 6 short months later, they rebuilt, and this is the new Cookie Jar Cafe. And so some of the cookie jars that they have inside were saved from the fire, but the community came together and helped donate some of their cookie jars. And so if you like home cooking,
I do.
Yeah, then this is the place to be. So if there's a long wait out to get into the restaurant, they have a little petting zoo up ahead that you can look at some sheep. It looks like some goats, and we'll see what other animals they have. They have a pavilion. It looks like that if they're too busy inside, you could bring your food and sit on the outside underneath the pavilion, and you'll have a great view of the valley and the mountains.
Let's go see the animals.
What are you doing? I don't have any food. I know. Oh, tickle, tickle. Oh, that boy. I know.
Hi, guys.
There. Hi. Oh, good. I know. Oh.
Got a little playground for the kids to play while they're waiting.
So it's a really nice place if you want to get out, look at the valley, stretch your legs.
Have a good meal.
Yeah, and have a good meal. And you have to get the dessert. And then you get a choice of, looks like cornbread,
yeah.
or a roll.
Yeah, they have quite a few cookie jars sitting around.
Yeah. They're really different. Like, I've never ever seen a cookie jar like this. Like, it looks like something back, I don't know, in the
50s?
Something in the 50s, 40s. These are really good. You can tell if they're homemade.
Oh yeah, I just saw it. They're still warm.
Yes, you discussed it. We finished.
It's like they put a slice of cheese on there and a baked potato.
Yeah, this is the loaded potato with bacon and cheese.
And this is the iced tea chicken. So apparently this is marinated in iced tea overnight and then fried chicken. With the baked potato and mac and cheese. And then of course I have to have another roll. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Good?
I like that. He doesn't like anything vinegar, so.
Especially like pickled beets. That's her thing.
I just got to take a bite.
Try the chicken. This falls apart. It's Wow, that's really good.
The strawberry cake looks really good. A huge 3-layer. And it looks like she's, I don't know what that is.
That is cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. Oh,
think
that looks
so.
incredible too.
So my sweet tea chicken was $11.99. Deb's popcorn shrimp was $19.20. I think that was because she got the
Loaded
baked
potato.
potato, yeah. And then we got chicken and dumplings for our son as a takeout. And then the last lemon cupcake and 2 pieces of coconut pie.
We're done eating, and the restaurant itself is open concept, lots of tables.
Yeah, it was amazing how many people were in there. That parking lot was completely full, and there's still tables available, so it wasn't bad.
Yeah, but we do recommend if you have a large group to make a reservation.
Or if you want to make sure you get in at a specific time.
Right.
Yeah.
And we would definitely come here again. Lots of popcorn shrimp. I had a few bites, and then I'm taking the rest of that home.
Yeah.
That's gonna do it, guys.
From the Cookie Jar.
From the Cookie Jar Café, we're heading down the Sequatchie Valley, and our next stop is downtown Dunlap.
Dunlap, Tennessee.
So thanks for watching, and if you like these videos,
Give us a like.
and if you don't want to miss out on any upcoming Sequatchie Valley adventures,
Make
hit
sure
the
to subscribe.
and we'll catch you in the next video.
See you
Bye,
guys.
everyone.